5 to the power 3 under square root times 5 to the power 4 under square root times 5 to the power 5 under square root upon 5 to the power 2x is equal to 1. We have to find the value of x. Now, square root means it is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So, let's write it like this. 5 to the power 3, then whole to the power 1 upon 2 times 5 to the power 4 whole to the power 1 upon 2 times 5 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 upon 2 upon 5 to the power 2x is equal to 1. Now, when a to the power m whole to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m times n. Therefore, it will be 5 to the power 3 upon 2 times 5 to the power 4 upon 2 times 5 to the power 5 upon 2. Now, if we send 5 to the power 2x to the right hand side, it will be multiplied to 1 because it is here in division. This is called reciprocal action. Or we can multiply both the sides by 5 to the power 2x. Then this and this gets cancelled. And here we multiply 5 to the power 2x. So it is equal to 5 to the power 2x. Again, there is an identity. If a to the power m times a to the power n, then this is equal to a to the power m plus n. Therefore, we can add the exponents here. So it will be 5 to the power 3 upon 2 plus 4 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 5 to the power 2x. Now they have common denominator, so we can add them like this. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 to the power 2x, or it is equal to 5 to the power 12 upon 2 is equal to 5 to the power 2x. 2 times 6 is 12. So we have 5 to the power 6 is equal to 5 to the power 2x. Now there is a rule, if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n and a is not equal to 0 or 1. Here a is 5. In that case, m is equal to n. That means 2x is equal to 6 we can write, or divide both the sides by 2, then x is equal to 3. This is our answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.